She never had rhinitis and sinusitis again with this home remedy I taught. If you also suffer from this problem of rhinitis and sinusitis, this recipe is for you. Stay until the end of the video, because it will be very useful for you. What city are you watching this video from? Tell me. The ingredients we are going to use you have in your house. You will need a bottle. Let's put some cloves in the bottle. There's no right amount. We know that cloves have several benefits. It is anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and natural antiseptic. Soon after, I'm going to peel the lemon here. If you know someone who suffers from these problems, share this video with them. It will help a lot. As soon as you peel the lemon, you will place the peel inside the glass bottle. I washed the bottle well, sterilized it, and everything was fine. You need alcohol. I'm going to use alcohol 70, but you can use whatever you have in your house. It will work just the same. And let's put it in the bottle. I'll put it here until it covers the lemon rind. It will be about halfway through the bottle. After doing this, you will cap the bottle and shake. That will mix everything up inside. We will reserve this medicine for 24 hours. After that time, he becomes more concentrated and stronger. It's okay for him to get darker too. Now it's just a sniff. If you have rhinitis and sinusitis, you can smell a lot. Get the air in well. Anyone who has this problem knows how bad it is, and this recipe will help you a lot. Guys, I would like to share a message for you that is found in Galatians chapter 5 verse 22. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance. Every day we have to make choices, good or bad, right or wrong, justice or injustice, and this battle is eternal. However, as we follow Jesus' teachings, we will be rewarded with love, joy, peace, serenity, and gentleness. That is, we will be called to the kingdom of heaven. Thanks for watching this video. Until the next. Bye-bye.